Hey guys, today I want to share with you this brand new Autoart 1/18 scale Lamborghini Diablo SE30 Jota. And the color here is metallic purple or Viola SE30. I've been waiting this model for quite a while. Autoart did have some news about this new model for around 1 or 2 years, I believe. So I've been waited really long. So finally I got this one and I'm very happy with it, and today I will share the review and my thoughts about this. And this model is a composite model, which is plastic, unlike the older Diablo made by Autoart, which is metal die cast. And so composite model actually have many advantages. The one of the very important one, I think, is you can see the paint is smooth than the metal one, and I believe they won't develop paint rashes over time. And yeah, I think the paint for this one is very nice, and this is so important because when you display it, you won't, most of the time you just display it, you won't play it, you won't open all the doors and play with it every day. So actually the outlook is very important, and for this one I'm really satisfied with it. Yeah, it's not as good as the recent model, but it's definitely good. You won't be disappointed with it. And let's go into the details. And here are all the openings. So the two doors, the trunk, and the engine cover. And one of the very good feature is you see the light, the headlight can be pop up, and you can close it. So I really like it. So when you display it and inside the case, you can have two choices of it, either with it pop up or without. I think I've forgotten to mention that Autoart will also release two more colors. One of them is the silver or the titanium, and the other one is pearl white. I think both of these colors looks great too, but I finally pick up the purple color. I think this is a very special color, and this is also the signature color of this specific car. And the Lamborghini badges looks good. The windscreen wipers, not bad. And the windows is very clear. And this model comes with a lot of photo etch meshes. You can see the intake. They use this grill is photo etch meshes. And you can see through these meshes, but there are no details behind them. And there's the special edition badge on the left and the Lamborghini badge on the right. Okay, and yeah, you can see the paint is very glossy. You can see the reflection and the tire details. The texture looks great. And there's another special edition badge, which is I believe it's water decals on the window. And inside the trunk is flocking texture. It looks good. And the interior may be the best part of this model. You can see all these carbon fiber. It should be a stickers or decals. I believe it's water decals, and it is not super glossy, but it's glossy. And those light blue, you can see the seats and the dashboard. It is the texture is Alcantara texture. And the dark blue part you can see here is flocking texture again. And then the control panel, there are all the buttons details here, and this is very nice. And here is the seat belt. It looks very good. And this is a fabric material with the photo etched part, and you can see with the special edition print on the seat belt. It's a nice touch. Okay, let's get into the engine part. It's very detailed. I would say it's not super good as those MR models or the Davis Giovanni model, but considering this is a cheaper model comparing to those high-end model, and you can open the engine cover, and the details here is actually quite good. And you can see the also come with the carbon fiber decals applied in this engine. And you can see those wires, they are not real wires, they are just plastic, but it's not too bad. Okay, and here you can press down the headlight. Just press it down here, but you better press both of the headlights together so we don't break it. And to open the headlight, there is a little trigger here under the car, so you can use anything. For me, I will use this little plastic piece come with the model, and you can use it. You can push this trigger. You can just push it back. Okay, and there you are, the headlights pop up. So I'll show you once again. So you push it. There you are. Very nice. So overall, I'm really satisfied with this model. I think Autoart did a really great job for making this one, and all the details are very great. Also considering this is not a very expensive model, as about $250 is like 2/3 of the price of the MR model or the BBR models, but it comes with the full opening features, and the paint isn't that bad, and because it is a composite model, so some of the details actually quite good. It's not as rough as a metal die-cast model. So If you like it, I suggest you better get one as soon as possible, because I believe especially this color, it will be sold out very soon. And that's all for today's review. Thank you, and I hope you like it. See you next time.